Hi guys, and welcome back to another module. Now, in this training, in this short video, I'm going to try and keep these as short and concise as I can. I'm going to teach you about the breaker structure and what that is on the charts, how to identify it, and give you a little bit more of a visual understanding on what it's all about. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll head over to the chart and let's just take a look. So what we have, let's just get the brush. The markets will always move. They'll always move in a zigzag motion. Okay, so the best way to identify this is we have a push up, we have a correction. Okay, we have a push up breaking the structure here, which is to my left, making a new higher high. Okay, we come down to create a lower low. We go up, create a higher high. We come down, create a lower low. Up a higher high, come down a lower low. Okay, so what we have going up on the upward motion here, we have a high. Okay, we'll just get this background off. We have our high. Just bear with me, guys. I'll get rid of that. Doing that. We've come up, we've created a higher high. Okay. We've come up, we've once again done a higher high. And then once again, we've come up and we've created another higher high. Now, when you get these corrections, these will be called on the correction a higher low. Okay, we've come up again, a higher low, a higher low, and then we've got a higher low. So that is basically a trend. So most people would say, right, I've got a trend. So this is your trend going up, and you only need a couple of touches to get a trend, okay? Now, when we get a breaker structure, this is what it would look like, okay? You would continue to come up. You may get a double top, okay? An equal high. We come back down. We break the structure of this area here, okay? From there, we come back up. We don't quite meet the criteria of a treble top or breaker structure here. We are then doing a reversal trend, and then we start coming down like this. This here is then known as a breaker structure. So this here at the moment is the very top, okay? This here we failed. This here we failed to break the previous area. Okay, we'll get the magic wand out. This here we failed to break. Okay, failed to break structure to continue the up trend. Okay, so once this happened, once we failed to continue to do that, okay, from this here, we come back down and we are now officially breaking structure and in a reversal downtrend. So on the opposite side, we then have a lower high because we failed to break structure. Yeah, again, we're coming down. This would be the same again. A lower high, lower high, lower high. And then the corrections on here, as we're getting the pullback, these will be known as a lower low. Okay, you guessed it, another lower low. And once again, another lower low. That is what we call the uptrend, the downtrend, and what each of those peaks and troughs are. They create the uptrend. Once we come back down, we are breaking structure of the previous higher lows, and we come down officially. Again, getting out the ones officially coming down and breaking the previous area, and then again breaking the previous area, and thus becoming the break of structure. Okay, if you don't understand this, we can go to the chart to see if I can find something here. So what we've got here, okay, we've got the trend. Okay, we've got a higher high, higher high, and then we come into some sort of consolidation. From here, we've come down this area here. This area here, as you can see, has broke structure from here. Okay, so we look here and we can see on a banker's candle, okay, it's the last up before the down. So the banker's candle, we always identify it's the last up before the down maneuver. And as you can see, we've highlighted the body of the candle. We come along, we've gotten this comes out, okay guys, and this is where this becomes very important. This area then broke the structure of this here. It's come back, it's gone back to retest to the pip this area here of this bankers. You would normally have that as the body, as your entry, and then for an easier sort of determination, you would have that as your stop. And if you look at this, guys, this has actually gone on to do 700 odd pips. Okay, so again, that's just a brief introduction on how you can use just the breaker structure and the banker's candle, okay, to get yourself in on a trade. Now that's just one confirmation. There's many other techniques we can do and use, but we will do that as we go on. If you have any questions, please just drop them below, and then we could possibly do a one-on-one session with you. Thank you very much.